Tion here at AP3, and I just wanted to show you guys a really cool project that we just wrapped up, which is this 2026 Ford Expedition. I don't know about you guys, but I remember as a kid packing into my family's Ford Expedition to go on trips to the lake house, errands around town. These things are really American icons, and I couldn't be more excited to see it back with this whole new look. And this is far from the Ford Expedition that you grew up with. You can tell how excited Ford is to bring back the Expedition. They even have all these little Easter eggs, like the silhouette of the Expedition, actually in the matrix, dot matrix pattern around the windshield. It's pretty cool to see. And not only does it have the massive size and capacity as the old Expedition, but it has a lot of upgraded features, very comfortable on the interior. And this client brought it to us to make sure that it stayed looking this nice for a very long time. So what we did to it is, of course, the full front paint protection film. That's gonna cover all the areas that are prone to pick up road rash, other common forms of paint damage over time. We also added a ceramic coating because this thing has a lot of square footage. It's very big and bulky, and so it's really cool to see a car like this, a family hauler that's probably gonna be kept by the family for a very long time. And knowing that we're setting it up now with these products like PPF and ceramic coating, they're gonna keep it looking brand new for a very long time. So as they enjoy it and make memories with it, it also is something they can be really proud of.